Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Students Homoeopathy and let's learn together. So there is a nice story for you all today. So let's get started. Once in a bustling city, Nick, an ambitious and overworked businessman, thrived on coffee, spicy food and excessive stimulants to push through his hectic days. He was a perfectionist, always in a rush and intolerant of any delays. But soon his body protested. He suffered from severe indigestion, feeling bloated and constipated, experiencing the frustrating ineffectual urge. His stomach felt heavy and he often had a sour taste in the morning. His nights were restless. He would wake up around 3 or 4 am, unable to fall back asleep, his mind racing with work worries. Mornings made him feel worse, often with a pounding headache that felt like a hammer striking his skull. He became extremely sensitive to noise, light, and odors. Every little disturbance irritated him beyond control. He snapped at colleagues, became short-tempered, and grew impatient with his family. He felt worse after overindulgence, whether it was food, stimulants, or excessive work pressure. So now friends, which homeopathic remedy comes to your mind for Nick? Yes, that's Nux Vomica, the perfect match for an ambitious, oversensitive, irritable individual suffering from digestive, nervous and sleep disturbances. So that's all for today. I hope through this story you understand Nux Vomica better. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session of Students Homoeopathy. Keep learning and keep growing.